What's going on?
Help. He can't save you. He
Are
can't
you gonna hit my
save
door?
you. Man,
You okay, baby girl?
what you supposed to do
My
about
daughter?
it?
Huh?
Man, what you gonna do about it? Nothing.
Oh, what I'm gonna do about it?
Yeah, you heard me. Better keep eating.
All of this because I caught you texting another girl.
He said what I'm gonna do
Chick,
about it.
forget you.
Is that my daughter? Hold my chain.
Please, I'm sorry.